Bread-proofing baskets, also known as bannetons, are a must-have for any serious bread baker. There are many products available to choose bread-proofing baskets, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best bread-proofing baskets from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Super Baking Banneton Bread Proofing Basket. The Super Baking Banneton Bread Proofing Basket set is the perfect gift for the bread baker. This eco-friendly, handmade rattan basket contains all the tools you need to bake delicious oven-fresh bread. It includes a bread basket proofing, liner, scoring lame with protector and 5 blades, metal and plastic scrapers, dough whisk, cleaning brush, and instructions. Customers have praised the product for its great quality, fast shipping, and all the extras it comes with. Number 2. Cook Banneton Bread Proofing Set. The Cook proofing baskets are perfect for anyone looking to enhance their bread-making skills at home. With 2 9-inch rattan baskets and washable linen liners, you can easily proof up to 2 pounds of dough. These baskets are made from all-natural, odorless rattan, ensuring a safe and pleasant baking experience. The unique design creates a moist environment that helps develop a crispy crust on your bread, giving it that artisanal touch. Plus, the careful packaging means your baskets arrive in perfect condition, ready for your next baking adventure. Number 3. Swice Bread Proofing Basket Set. The Swice Proofing Basket Set offers versatility with both a 9-inch round and a 10-inch oval basket, allowing you to create different loaf shapes at the same time. Made from high-quality Indonesian rattan, these baskets ensure your dough is handled gently, promoting a perfect texture without the worry of splinters. This complete set also includes essential baking tools like a lame, dough scraper, and a basting brush, making it easy for you to achieve professional results. Plus, cleaning is simple thanks to the smooth surfaces and washable linen liners, giving you more time to enjoy your delicious bread. Number 4. Kitcoin Banneton Bread Proofing Basket Set. The Kitcoin Banneton Basket Set is a must-have for any bread enthusiast. Handcrafted from Indonesian rattan, these round bread proofing baskets are designed to shape your bread into a perfect sphere while leaving a beautiful spiral shape on the crust. The non-stick and breathable design helps keep the bread in shape and allows the dough to shape faster. The linen liner prevents the dough from sticking to the basket, making it easy to clean. With 2 different sizes included in the set, along with linen liners and a bread lame with blades, you'll have everything you need to create ideally shaped bread like a professional baker. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this set is a wonderful gift for any occasion, allowing you to enjoy baking time with family and friends. Number 5. Banneton Bread Proofing Basket Set. The Snail Digit 9-inch round Banneton proofing basket is a set of 2 handmade baskets made from 100% natural rattan, free from dye and chemicals. It holds 1.5 pounds of dough and is perfect for any recipe involving flour, water, salt, and yeast. Customers have praised the baskets for their sturdiness and ability to proof dough to the right shape. However, some customers have noted that the baskets are slightly small for 1-pound bowls.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.